rushed. It was rushed. I can't rush these things.
That just came out of my mouth.
If you're gonna be in a belching contest, you gotta sit in between them.
There's a little throw up in my mouth just now.
Ew. You're gonna brush your teeth if you kiss me.
I didn't really taste any throw up in my mouth. I think I got it from a movie. I just can't remember what movie it was.
Here, you can bring a chair over there.
This is like a standing thing.
Go to you.
Billy, quit the farting.
Go. I'm still eating
Enough.
my pizza, Billy. It's disgusting. It's not funny.
I've told you 1,000 times already.
But I'm better at farting than burping.
Oh, that one's not going to be good. I got pizza in my mouth. Excuse me.
He just excused me at the little burst, but when he belches real loud.
You know what this reminds me of?
Oh, dude. Impressed.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Oh, you're welcome.
You know what this reminds me of? That part in Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory, and they're trying to burp to get down.
Scott and I would survive.
Well, we wouldn't go up through the fan.
We would survive.
Yeah, we'd be fine. Okay, something tells me we probably wouldn't even get off the ground.
Right?
Did you fart or something? She's gonna piss herself.
It's not that kind of contest either.
That's for Wednesday when Shauna comes over.
I have a burp coming. Not right now, though. Not right now.
Don't be shy. Just make sure it comes out the right end.
Uh-oh. No, we can go the other way.
I can't compete. I'm clearly in third place. Or fourth.
High school, I still got it.
Chainsaw.
My only real
Chainsaws
talent
and
was
these.
getting other people to get chocolate milk to come up through their nose.
I don't.
You do that with
What?
Coke
Do you need to sit over there with the contest that he's having?
Blast from Taco Bell. Like,
Or
so
put
if she
some
gets Coke to
put
come,
a Mentos in your mouth and then swallow some Coke.
If
Put
she
some
gets Coke to
put
come-
a Mentos in your mouth and then swallow some Coke and see what happens.
like bananas and Sprite.
So we
About the
agree, if
bananas
she
and
makes
Sprite?
Coke come out of one of our noses, we have to kill her. Because that's going to hurt.
Wait, how do you get it?
It's been a little while. It's about time for something.
She's chugging.
Oh.
She's brewing one up right now.
Coke.
Boogie, boogie, boogie. Oh.
Cheater.
That probably smelled not good. Sorry, my bad.
I can't smell anymore.
Solid.
Oh, that.
Thank God. Like,
I don't have anything to drink that's carbonated that will help, so it's not fair.
you
Well,
gotta be able to go to sleep. Man.
Go, yeah. Tomorrow.
I felt that rumble all the way. It was
Way down.
like,
Dump it down in the subtitles.
From the depths.
I'm laughing so hard that the back of my head is super tight right here.
That's not a bad thing, though.
Do you feel a big burp coming, Scott?
Laughter is the best medicine. No, not yet.
Well, more Coke does to do.
Wow.
Dude.
Dude.
Abides!
Hurting herself.
Woman pukes up esophagus.
Do it for the vine! Like,
Woman's esophagus is.
I sound like a Komodo dragon.
I didn't know what those sounded like. Now I know.
What does the dragon say?
She's on a roll. She can't stop.
Take me to the hospital.
Yeah.
the hospital, you're like,
Everybody in the emergency rooms will be.
Can you imagine that? She's in the hospital, curtains closed.
Everybody's dying laughing.
What the hell's going on here?
I'm morphing werewolf. It won't come out.
She's contagious.
3 or 4 doctors in a row run into behind the curtain.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm right here.
I'm alone.
I'm over here.
I'm alone in this
I
right
know.
now. And you suck.
I know. I don't practice this. Like I feel like.
Oh, ow.
911.
It's a good sound, but
Hefty,
not
hefty,
long.
hefty. Whippy, whippy, whippy. You think we should cover this pizza up?
It's a little late now. This
It's the
tastes
same
like
garlic
burn.
that's going right back on the pizza.
I'm gonna drink 4 cups of water.
This pizza tastes like burps.
This pizza tastes like ass.
I'm drinking a bunch of water.
Yeah! Solid.
Who was that?
Salad.
Can't even tell who's who. Oh. It's gonna fling in someone's eye.
Stairs and all of a sudden, like the house shakes.
Water came out of my nose that time.
We're gonna have to I don't even know who's gonna win. We're gonna just have to take a picture of both of us, just like, yeah.
No, we're gonna post it on Facebook with a voting poll underneath it.
Definitely wasn't me. I'll be the ref.
Yeah, you're there in case shit gets ugly.
Yeah. I'm in the crossfire.
Yeah.
Gene Simmons. Then, yeah.
I feel like that
Feel bloated?
part of the movie in Revenge of the Birds.
Touch my back.
This ogre and booger and
Can I get a bunch of water in my stomach?
I want to hear a Buddy the Elf burp.
Lasts like 20 seconds.
That was funny.
I need a full
What we need to do is have you burp, and right as you're finishing up, his starts.
But
Can you
keep your mouth
synchronize burping?
synchronized.
He's looking upstairs. Beat that.
I want to I imagine this being like a rap battle. Like, bet you the caboose now.
I think this would be so funny and fast forward.
She knows.
Oh God. My throat hurts. That's how
Did you
much
crack
I
your
feel.
jaw with that?
My throat hurts.
No.
Oh God. It came out the other way. Other way. Other way. Other way.
That was good. I had just zoomed in on you too. Nice.
That was the funniest one of the night.
That was dramatic. A dramatic burp.
Like, burst forward. Like,
Yeah, it had rhythm or tone. It was a tonal burp.
I burped too.
Congratulations.
you guys
I'm
gotta
the
do like a
winner.
burst
Or not.
You should be proud.
I think that's the winner. I'm just kidding.
Who's next?
My ass.
Let's keep that out of this.
No, it's mine. I'm kidding.
Keep that out of this. Girl, you better go change your shorts.
He's like really pushing too. Like,
I know. You squeeze too hard. You
I think
push
it's
out a
about
little
time I
turd.
teach him how to do his own laundry.
I'm gonna push it out so hard
Yeah,
you're gonna
I feel that.
bullet. Woo! Okay, who's gonna burp next?
Well, you can tell when they get all serious and sit up straight and Yeah. Like Taylor, getting ready to. Oh, he's swallowing the air.
I'm out of ammo.
Here's another one.
I used to be so good at burping.
Choking under all the pressure here. Come on, don't
Which
be
is weird because
shy.
the air is probably.
When it's
letting
just
them
us
float
around the
above
table,
gas, like floating.
you can't help yourself.
You sound like E.T. E.T.
I know. Like,
Ouch.
who was that? He was like,
Don't touch me with the finger!
It's my ET finger.
Billy.
That was bubbly as shit.